What is a battery in Indiana? A lot of people know this type of battery, and this is the type of battery you want to have. But in Indiana, there's a thing called criminal battery, and you don't want that. I'm attorney Martin Nicholson from the law office of Martin Nicholson, also known as the Battery Man, also known as the Batt-Man with two T's, to take down those charges. And I'm going to talk about what is battery in Indiana. Basically, a battery is when someone knowingly or intentionally touches another person in a rude, insolent, or angry manner. Basically, it's a conscious decision to touch another person improperly and without their permission. That's battery in Indiana. Now, it can be charged as a misdemeanor or as a felony. But today I'm going to really just discuss the misdemeanor batteries. They both have different levels, and depending on certain factors or the seriousness of the victim's injury. And Indiana also gives special privileges, special protection for people that are law enforcement officers or firefighters or community community policing. They have special protections. The least serious of the Class B is the Class B misdemeanor battery. That is a knowing, intentionally touching in a rude, insolent, or angry manner, such as poking someone, pinching them. That does not cause injury. If it doesn't cause injury, then basically you have a Class B misdemeanor battery. If it does cause injury, now you have a Class A misdemeanor battery, and the Class A is the most serious of the misdemeanor charges. An injury in Indiana can be physical pain, not necessarily mental, but physical pain is an injury that would elevate what could be a misdemeanor battery into a Class A misdemeanor battery. Now, the charges carry certain penalties. For a Class A misdemeanor, it is a $5,000 fine and a year in jail, and that is the maximum penalty you can get. For the B misdemeanor, it's a $1,000 fine and 180 days in jail is the maximum you can get. Doesn't mean that's what you'll get, but that is the maximum. So remember, in Indiana, these batteries are good, criminal batteries are bad. If you need a battery, stop by the law office of Martin Nicholson and get a free battery while supplies last.